Hello, it's Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales here at Soto Welding in Bakersfield. This is Jose, the master welder, and he's the owner of Soto Welding, and he just purchased this tow truck. This tow truck. Look at how old this truck is. So he's gonna use a California compliant truck. He's probably going to purchase a truck from us, probably a Freightliner. Look at that system, it's working. So I tell Jose, these are really old, why are you buying these old systems? And he's always saying, the old systems are the best, right?
Yep.
You always say the old systems.
Not a single crack. Everything.
So you always, this is what you look for. You make sure that there's no cracks.
No cracks in the system. It's a
2014
nice, good system. It's not beat up.
only.
Look,
And we
it's
got
not beat
that.
up. Toyota
It's been treated
Ford.
well. And what year is this truck?
It's a 93.
93?
93.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. I was 10 years old, 93.
Yes.
So what, 30 years old?
Yes.
Yeah.
But these are the best, beds that you can find now.
Uh-huh.
They're heavy duty metal, so no dents or nothing.
How many tons? What's the weight
12
capacity?
12 tons.
12 ton?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see the sticker? We're gonna need. Oh, okay. So that is. Oh yes. We're gonna need a picture of this right here. It tells you the information. I'm gonna take a picture. We're gonna need to clean up that bottom one.
Okay.
And I'll take pictures because I know you're gonna paint those.
Yeah, no.
You always do. All right, this is going to become a beautiful tow truck, 12 ton. Here in Bakersfield, California. And as you can see, it's a California truck, no rust, international.